like the God eternal. Wages be to those who will leave the family. Remember always that somehow there is beauty in the language.
There are spirits grow. There are words prayed for tonight. As we light this candle, forever in our memories we'll remember how these flames aligned us with our smile. How we danced with perseverance. How yet another page was filled by the moment that eventually came to an end.